Welcome to Cooking with Subjunctives. I'm your host, Kate, and today we will be exploring the world of cooking with subjunctives. Let's go to our first chef to learn the basics.
Hi there! First thing, it is important to note that subjunctive is a mode and not a tense. Now, let's take a look between the differences of subjunctive and the indicative. In this bowl are the ingredients for the subjunctive dish, and in this bowl are the ingredients for the indicative dish. Now let's take a look. Let's take a look at the ingredients in the subjunctive dish. Subjunctives can be used with emotion or feeling, when there is doubt, and when there is possibility. The indicative dish is a little different. In this dish can be used if there is statement of a fact or a statement of strong belief. Now let's welcome our next chef to learn how to set up our subjunctive meal.
Thank you for welcoming me to the show to create a subjunctive dish. For this, two clauses are needed. The ingredient is the indicative, followed by K, and then the subjunctive is finally added. To get more specific on the conjugating the subjunctive, let's bring in the next chef.
For regular subjunctives, here are the recipes for their endings. AR, A, ace, A, amos, N. ER and IR, as, amos, on. There are also irregular subjunctives. A few of them include ear, haser, estar, dormir, and jugar.
Irregulars don't follow any rules, such as ear changes to vaya, haser changes to haga, estar changes to este, and ser changes to
To
se.
finish off our subjunctive dish, we need to make sure that the stem changers are written properly. All stem changers don't change in the nosotros form except for IR verbs. In this case, the IR stem changers in the nosotros form are as follows. In regular O to UE, in the nosotros form it would change to a U. And in E to IE, it would just change to an I, and an E to an I would stay the same. Let's throw this in the oven and work on our next step.
Car, gar, and zar verbs also follow special rules. The endings of these verbs change. For example, pescar changes to pesque, pagar changes to page, and kazar changes to kase. As you can see in the previous examples, car verb endings change to k, gar changes to gay, and zar changes to say. Some car, gar, and zar verbs can also be stem changers.
Now it's time to learn about how we use these verbs. Subjunctives are used when we want to say I wish. I wish translates to ojalake. For example, to say I wish you have cookies translates to ojalake tu tengas galletas.
Subjunctives are used with impersonal expressions at the beginning of a sentence. Some examples of impersonal expressions include es bueno, es importante, and es necesario. The impersonal expressions are not used with subjunctive when it is stating a fact. Some examples of these would include es obvio, es cierto, es claro. Now our subjunctive dish is complete.
Thank you for joining us, and tune in tomorrow when we make a delicious present progressive dessert. Bye!
Adios!
I said something in there!
I was doing so good! Can we stop it?
No! What was that?
No,
Was that the recording?
I took a picture.
Okay. It is the record button.
It's fine.
No!
Whenever you're ready, I'll capture it.
Ooh.
Ew.
I did it.
Everything.
That's nasty.
That was good.
Okay. And for just kidding.
Whoops.
You might want to turn it off.
Julia's in the bathroom.
I'm not here.
You can go whenever you're ready. I'd already pressed it.
Okay.
Go.
Okay.
Oh, do you notice that the back door window fell off?
It's broken.
Yeah.
I broke it off when you guys locked me out when you went to church.
Emos.
What is emo?
Just say, start it with
Amos. A every time.
Now it's time to learn about how we use these verbs. Subjunctive can be used. Subjunctives can be used. Okay. And you trying to walk up the stairs really quietly is really funny. She's like. Okay.
It's going.
Now our subjunctive dish is complete.
Smiling?
Yeah.
You can kind
Yeah,
of,
smile.
yeah, smile. Okay. I'll just, should I grab it or should I be holding it?
I don't care.